Okay, to delete a mobile, you've got telephone here and you've got setup there. So into telephone, search for new mobile there, there's nothing. Setup, nothing there, but you've got Bluetooth here in the bottom right hand corner. So as I said before, these instructions in the corners correspond to these 4 buttons here. So Bluetooth, we'll click Bluetooth and there you go. You've got find Bluetooth devices, bonded devices, Bluetooth name, delete external devices. You can delete everything there. But we'll go on to bonded devices, click bonded devices. You've got Barry's iPhone, so click on that. And the first choice is delete device, or you can change it to hands-free connect. So I want to delete it, click that. Are you sure? Well, yes I am. So select yes and click yes. Sorry, I didn't click it properly then. That's it, it's gone.